Hey everyone, welcome back to the USA Car Update. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Chevrolet Silverado EV is redefining what we expect from a full-size electric pickup truck. With its bold design, impressive range, and cutting-edge technology, this truck is set to make a powerful statement in the EV market. Starting with its design, the Silverado EV boasts a modern yet rugged look, blending aerodynamic efficiency with the toughness Chevrolet trucks are known for. The front end features a striking lighting setup, while the bed offers innovative functionality, including the versatile multi-flex midgate for expanded cargo space. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, this truck rides on GM's Ultium platform, delivering a staggering 754 horsepower and 785 lb-ft of torque in its top RST trim. This power translates to remarkable performance, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 4.5 seconds. For a truck of its size, that's a game changer. Range is another highlight, with the Silverado EV capable of traveling up to 400 miles on a single charge. Plus, fast charging capabilities allow you to regain 100 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Chevrolet has ensured the Silverado EV is packed with the latest tech. Inside, you'll find a 17-inch infotainment display paired with an 11-inch digital gauge cluster, creating an immersive and futuristic cabin experience. Features like Super Cruise, GM's hands-free driving technology, elevate the driving experience, making long hauls less tiring and more enjoyable. Additionally, the Silverado EV is equipped with a wide array of safety features, including advanced driver assistance systems, to ensure peace of mind on the road. When it comes to utility, the Silverado EV doesn't disappoint. With up to 10,000 pounds of towing capacity and a payload rating of 1,300 pounds, this truck proves it can handle serious work. The spacious frunk, or front trunk, adds even more storage options, making it perfect for both work and play. The multi-flex tailgate and power outlet options also enhance its versatility, catering to a wide range of needs. In terms of pricing, the Silverado EV offers a range of trims to fit different budgets. The entry-level work truck WT trim starts at around $40,000, while the high-end RST trim pushes past $100,000 with all the bells and whistles. This makes the Silverado EV accessible to a broad audience while offering a premium experience for those who want it. The 2025 Chevrolet Silverado EV is more than just an electric version of a classic truck. It's a glimpse into the future of what pickup trucks can be. Whether you're looking for performance, utility, or cutting-edge technology, this EV delivers on all fronts, making it a strong contender in the rapidly growing electric truck market. Thanks for watching.